Flounder. Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to show you the trick with the bigger fish. Come here, buddy. Buddy, come here. Come here. Good boy. Now you swallow my finger. Oh God. Trying to bite me? Kiss me. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Kisses. He's like, no, it's cheating on my wife. Come on. Seriously. Good boy. Good boy. Kisses. Come here. Come here. Stay. 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 No, he hasn't learned that one yet. Come here. Flounder. Flounder. Watch this though. He'll do anything you want for this. Up and down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Got your attention now, do I? Fonda, come here. One more time. Follow the finger. Up. Down. Right. Come on. Give me kisses. Kisses. They have a memory span of 12 days. I just learned that out today, and that makes complete sense. I've always found these fish to be the most beautiful thing. Only certain fish. Maybe someday when I can afford a huge aquarium. I'll have a bunch of these guys. But for now, I'll settle.